Ever wondered if your investment portfolio is truly working for you or just existing? Are you genuinely making progress towards your financial goals, or are you just throwing darts in the dark, hoping for the best? If you've ever felt that nagging uncertainty, that gnawing question of am I actually doing well, then you're in the right place. We've all been there. You've invested in a few stocks, maybe some ETFs, perhaps even dipped your toes into the world of crypto. You see the numbers fluctuate, some days up, some days down. But how do you connect those daily swings to your long-term objectives? How do you know if your overall strategy is sound, or if you're just getting lucky or unlucky with individual picks? The truth is, investing without tracking is like driving a car without a speedometer or a GPS. You might be moving, but you have no idea how fast you're going, where you're heading, or if you're even on the right road to your destination. And when it comes to your financial future, guesswork simply isn't good enough. You need clarity. You need data. You need a reliable way to see the big picture. This isn't just about knowing if you're up or down by a few percent. It's about understanding the why behind those movements. It's about identifying your winning strategies and, more importantly, learning from your less successful ones. It's about making informed decisions, not emotional ones. It's about taking control of your financial journey and building a future that's truly aligned with your aspirations. And that's where Newton comes in. Now, you might be thinking, Newton? Isn't that just a crypto exchange? While Newton does offer a fantastic platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, it also boasts a powerful, often overlooked feature, its portfolio tracking capabilities. Many users are so focused on the trading aspect that they miss out on this crucial tool for managing their overall investment health. Today, we're going to dive deep into how you can leverage Newton to track your portfolio performance, not just for your crypto holdings, but for your entire investment universe. We're going to transform that scattered collection of assets into a clear, actionable dashboard that empowers you to make smarter financial choices. Forget complex spreadsheets, clunky third-party apps, or endless manual calculations. Newton simplifies the entire process, putting crucial insights right at your fingertips. So, let's start with the basics. Why is tracking your portfolio performance so critical? Beyond the obvious satisfaction of seeing your wealth grow, consistent tracking offers a multitude of benefits. Firstly, it helps you identify your true rate of return. This isn't just about looking at individual asset gains. It's about understanding the aggregated performance of your entire portfolio, taking into account all your buys, sells, dividends, and fees. Knowing your true rate of return allows you to realistically assess your progress towards your financial goals. Are you on track to retire comfortably? Is your down payment for a house getting closer? Without this overall number, you're just guessing. Secondly, it allows you to assess your risk exposure. Are you overallocated to a particular sector or asset class? Is your portfolio too heavily weighted in volatile assets? A well-tracked portfolio clearly shows your diversification, or lack thereof, enabling you to rebalance and mitigate risk before it becomes a problem. This proactive approach can save you from significant losses during market downturns. Thirdly, it facilitates informed decision-making. When you have a clear picture of what's working and what isn't, you can make strategic adjustments. Perhaps one of your investments is consistently underperforming. With proper tracking, you can identify this and decide whether to reallocate funds to more promising opportunities. Conversely, you can double down on your winners, further accelerating your growth. This data-driven approach removes emotion from your investment choices, leading to more rational and profitable outcomes. Fourthly, it helps with tax planning. Accurate tracking of your buys, sells, and capital gains is absolutely essential for tax season. Imagine the headache of trying to piece together months or even years of transactions come tax time. Newton, by maintaining a detailed record of your activities, can significantly simplify this process, potentially saving you a lot of time and stress, and ensuring you comply with all regulations. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, it keeps you accountable to your financial goals. Seeing your progress, or lack thereof, can be a powerful motivator. When you visually track your portfolio, you're constantly reminded of your objectives, whether it's early retirement, buying a home, or funding your child's education. This constant feedback loop reinforces good financial habits and discourages impulsive, detrimental decisions. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how Newton can help you achieve all of this. When you log into your Newton account, you'll immediately notice a clean, intuitive interface. While the primary focus might appear to be on the buy and sell functions, take a moment to explore the navigation. You'll find sections dedicated to your balances, transaction history, and most importantly, your portfolio overview. Newton's strength in portfolio tracking begins with its ability to consolidate your cryptocurrency holdings. Unlike some platforms that only show your current balance, Newton provides a historical view of your crypto assets. This means you can see your average cost basis, your unrealized gains and losses, and the overall performance of each individual cryptocurrency you hold. This granular detail is crucial for understanding how your crypto investments are performing on their own merit. For example, let's say you bought Bitcoin at several different price points. Newton aggregates these purchases, showing you your blended average cost. This is incredibly useful for calculating your true profit or loss on any given sale, and for understanding the overall profitability of your Bitcoin position. The same applies to Ethereum, Ripple, or any other cryptocurrency available on the platform. But what if you have investments outside of Newton? This is where many people hit a wall. They use one platform for crypto, another for stocks, and maybe a different one for their retirement accounts. Juggling all these separate interfaces makes a holistic view of your portfolio almost impossible. While Newton primarily focuses on its own holdings, its comprehensive transaction history and reporting features still make it a powerful tool for understanding your crypto portfolio's contribution to your overall wealth. While Newton doesn't directly integrate with your traditional brokerage accounts, like those holding stocks or mutual funds, the detailed reporting it offers for your crypto assets can be downloaded and then easily integrated into a master spreadsheet or a more comprehensive third-party portfolio tracker if you choose to use one for your entire net worth. Think of Newton as providing the most accurate and detailed data for a significant portion of your diversified portfolio, your crypto holdings. Let's talk about the specific features within Newton that facilitate this tracking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.